This is Chris from Daily Forex taking a look at the crude oil market. The light sweet crude oil market has fallen pretty significantly during the session here on Thursday, but it does look like we are trying to defend the $60 level. That does make a certain amount of sense considering that the market has looked at $60 as important multiple times in the past, and I think ultimately you have to assume that it will still matter. Nonetheless, I also recognize this is a market that has a lot going on at the same time, not the least of which, of course, is going to be the idea of trade wars. Remember, crude oil is essentially the life's blood of the overall economy, and you need an economy that's growing, expanding, and sending goods all over the world to truly drive crude oil higher. That being said, it should be noted that the contract is more US centric, and it does not look like the United States is going to go into a recession. At least the market isn't signaling that. Yes, I understand there's a lot of drama about that, but the actual data doesn't really support that. So, if that's going to be the case, one would assume there will be more demand. But at the same time, OPEC has flooded the market with so much crude, albeit in different grades, that supply has become an issue overall. Ultimately, if we can bounce from here, I think we probably challenge the 50-day EMA near the $63.44 level, and then possibly $65, which looked like it was going to happen during the previous session. Anything above the $65 level, more likely than not, will have this contract looking at the 200-day EMA.